Hey guys, I'm back with another simple, easy, and powerful pocket option 5-second strategy that you can use right after watching this video. And as I say in all of my video, no matter whichever strategy you learn, either from me or from someone else, firstly test that strategy properly in your demo account. And if you think it is working for you in your demo account, then only use it in your real account. Remember that thing very clearly. And guys, in return of making this video, I only ask one thing from you. Please do like this video after watching this video. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to select the currency pair that you want to make trade on, okay? And then select the time trading duration as 5. That means each of your trade will last 5 seconds. And if you are not seeing S5 at here, then make sure to turn this flag to clock, okay? So that you can find this S5. And then select these candles and this candle and then select the S5 so that all of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Now, as you can see, there is already one indicator that I have implemented at here, and this indicator is called rate of change or ROC. So let me put this indicator again at here. So here you can see here is the indicator. Just click on it, okay, and then just enlarge this indicator, and you can see there is a zero line which is extremely important for us to make trade on 5 seconds with this indicator. And as you can see, market is falling down, and below this zero line is you can consider it as a oversold region, and above this zero line you can consider it as a overbought region. Now the way you make trade is you need to see the overall trend of the market. So for example, it was going up, now it is going down, right? So now if market is continuously falling down, then what you need to do is whenever market have gone above, okay, like this, and then it have fall down from this zero line, whenever it cross this zero line, at that time you can make trade by clicking on lower, okay. Now another thing, whenever market is going up, okay, in upward direction, and at that time whenever you see the market going from this zero line to above this, then you can make trade by clicking on higher. So these are the places where you can make trade by clicking on higher and lower, okay. So now the another way what you can do is, sometimes what happens is market continuously keeps on falling down, okay. So as you can see here, it is falling down, it is not going above zero line. Now if you continuously see it falling down, then what you can do is you can make some trade by clicking on lower, okay, in this oversold region, because it is continuously trying to be in the oversold region, and that can be a good entry point for you to make trade by clicking on lower, okay. Similarly, let's see at another point here also you can see it is trying to continuously be at the above level, but it again started to fall from here, but this is not a good place to make trade. Below, let's see at here. So here you can see yeah, here you can see it is going up, continuously going up. Now somewhere at here you can see the market totally going up, and at that time it is not going to fall below this zero line, and in some point here you can make trade by clicking on higher also. It would be a little bit risky, but you can make trades. So now let's make some trade by seeing this real market. So as you can see, it is going above from this zero line. Now what you can assume is it can go up, so you make a trade by clicking on higher, and let's see what happens in this trade. So most probably we'll make profit because it have crossed the zero line. In this way you can use this indicator to make trade. You can make most of this currency favorite and put it at line and see wherever the favorable place you see this kind of thing by making, like for example, like in this way you can put this and just click on another and see if it is just crossing this zero line, immediately make trade by clicking on higher, okay. So in this way you can trade on 5-second time frame by using ROC or rate of change indicator. So don't forget to like this video. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.